Sorry, I didn't mean to get in your way, Chef
Is
Ram.
that Josephine's kitchen?
No way.
What are you cooking, Joe?
Can you tell me what Joe is cooking?
I got. Oh, that.
We have a party. Who's coming?
Yeah?
Is William coming to your party?
Yeah, I think so.
You gotta be careful putting things in the oven.
You think so? You think you're gonna go to Joe's party?
Okay, Joe. I'm Josie.
Wow.
That. Do open the. That.
Oh, did you open your barn? What is Josephine making?
You're having a party
Go.
with William?
Big.
What are you feeding him?
What's Josephine gonna feed William?
Joey, can you do well? You won't do any of your tricks? Oh, I love that. Those are very nicely centered.
What did she make?
That chocolate.
She made chocolate?
Yeah.
What
Wow.
Wow, shit. What that?
Not quite ready yet, eh? Put it in the fridge.
Don't put your feet on the computer. What are you doing? All done. Josephine's all done.
Mission.